Hello, I'm Dave Rowland, President and CEO of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. We're still receiving questions on essential versus non-essential manufacturing operations and who can maintain their ongoing production. Here's the latest. The governor's office is telling us that nearly all manufacturing in Oklahoma is deemed essential. But the Manufacturing Alliance is still recommending you check the official industry list created by the Oklahoma Department of Commerce. There's a link to that document below. If you have any uncertainty whether your work is an essential area, the Department of Commerce has created an online clarification form where you can inquire about your status or request that your company's industry be included on the essential list. Furthermore, the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance can provide a template letter that outlines your essential status, which may be convenient to have on hand for local officials. Please do not hesitate to contact your local manufacturing extension for support and assistance. You can always email us at assistance@okalliance.com or check out the latest COVID-19 information for manufacturers at our website, www.okalliance.com. Thank you.